AutoAS provides an AI-assisted automated visual estimate of the presence or absence of moderate to severe aortic stenosis, or AS, using standard 2D cardiac images. We'll demonstrate the AutoAS tool on a phone, but any compatible tablet can also be used. Use your Vscan Air SL to acquire standard 2D cardiac images, with the sector transducer, and with either the cardiac preset or cardiac guidance. Before we start scanning with the cardiac preset, be sure to configure the clip length to at least 2 seconds for the AutoAS evaluation. Swipe right, select the menu icon, tap Configuration, tap Clip Duration, and tap 3 seconds. Return to the preset menu by tapping the back icon and tap the X. The cardiac views required for the aortic stenosis assessment are the parasternal long axis, parasternal short axis at the aortic valve, and the apical 5-chamber. AutoAS can process results as long as 2 of the 3 required views are present. AutoAS can be used seamlessly with many of the focused ultrasound assessments you're likely already doing at the point of care, like LV or RV function, volume status, valvular abnormalities, and more. If during these assessments you capture at least 2 of the 3 required views for AutoAS, AutoAS can be added onto your existing workflow with just an additional tap. In this demonstration, we'll limit our assessment to only the cardiac views needed for the operation of AutoAS. Activate the cardiac preset. Optimize the image for a parasternal long axis view and tap the Store Video icon. Do the same for a parasternal short axis view at the aortic valve and for an apical 5-chamber view. Now that we've acquired these 3 views, swipe left from the right edge of the screen to access the image gallery and tap on the AutoAS icon. The software will analyze all images in your image gallery, and a suggested result will be displayed. Alternatively, you can manually select any number of images, including multiple images per view for AutoAS to utilize. Tap Select, tap on the images, and tap on the AutoAS icon. Be sure to select at least 2 of the 3 required AS views before starting the AutoAS analysis. You can see here, these images are now being analyzed, and a suggested result will be displayed. Once a report is generated, you will see whether the AutoAS evaluates the study images to be suggestive of moderate or severe AS. You will also see the algorithm's confidence score, which indicates how certain the algorithm is in its prediction based on the clips analyzed. Higher confidence values, closer to 100%, generally correspond to a greater probability that AutoAS has classified the study correctly. The report lists which images were included in the analysis and the timestamps for each. Tap Save to store the report in your image gallery. If you tap Cancel, the report will not be saved.